अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. Today in English subject we are going to take lesson number 1.3, that is on wings of courage. What do you mean by courage? Courage means you have the courage to face the difficulty, or you are strong enough. That is the courage. Okay. Now here there is one story here. It is the description of Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh. You must be knowing there are three types of soldiers here in India: Army, Navy and Air Force. Now this is the story of a strong person from the Air Force. His name was Marshal Arjan Singh. He was like a symbol for India. That was a symbolic figure, ideal figure for the military history of India. We will always be remembered. He will always be remembered as a war hero. He who had successfully led a young IAF, that is the Indian Air Force, during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. Now we know that we got the independence in the year 1947. There was a war between India and Pakistan in the year 1965. During this war, the valor and the greatness shown by this person, Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh, is described here in this lesson, and what are his achievements for whole of his life. We are going to see that. He is the only officer to have attained the highest post of marshal. The Air Force equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal. He was fearless and exponential. What do you mean by that? He was very much daring and always ready to do new things. Who had flown more than 60 different types of aircrafts. That means 60 different kinds of engine, and technically he knew them how to drive those engines. He played a major role in transforming the IAF. What do you mean by IAF now? IAF means Indian Air Force, into one of the most potent means powerful and effective, Air Force globally, and the fourth biggest in the world. His contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental. Monumental means of great importance and enormous importance. Okay. The IAF grew with him. He was the epitome, that is a perfect example of military leadership in classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. Okay, these were the words which were said by Vice Chief of IAF, that was Kapil Kak. Okay. Now here we have completed the two paragraphs. On the side of the text you will see the meanings are also there. Now while doing the reading on page number 15, you need to write down with the pencil the meanings there, and just go through the meanings also every time you see the reading of the textbook. Now in English especially, it's very important reading of the text. Please, every day you give at least half an hour for reading of English. Singh was honored with the rank. We'll continue the third paragraph now. Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in 2002. Okay, in 2002 he was being honored with the degree or the rank of Marshal. Sam Harmozji, Fremji Jamshedji Manekshaw and K.M. Kariappa were the only two army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. Okay, two other fellows who were also honored with this rank were, whose name is mentioned here. Known as a man of few words. That means very few words. That means some people they talk very less, but their action shows how efficient they are. So Arjan Singh was also one of them. Known as a man of few words, Singh was not only a fearless pilot but also had profound knowledge about Air Force and applied it in a wide spectrum of areas. Okay, that means wide spectrum means a large range of areas. He applied that knowledge and he was very much efficient in technology. Singh had assiduously, that means working hard and showing the careful attention to the details of everything. With total concentration, he was working hard in the Indian Air Force during the 1965 war and denied the success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. Now, as you know, in 47 we got, that is in 1947 we got our freedom. After that, we were trying hard for having an efficient technology as a country. And at that time, when the country was being attacked by Pakistan in 1965, this person, Air Marshal Arjan Singh, is the only person who was very strong, who led the Pakistan army be defeated. Okay, see here the sentence, denied the success to Pakistani Air Force. Denied means he was not agreed to give away the things to Pakistan. He fought till the last moment so that India would win the battle. Not last moment of his life, but till the last moment of the war I am talking about. Denied the success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was a better equipped with American support. That means America was totally supporting to Pakistan in its technology, so it was better equipped. That means the weapons were more techno efficiently good, with good quality with Pakistan. In spite of that, India won the battle. His most outstanding contribution was during the war, as it is been said by Kak. Okay, that was Kapil Kak, who was the vice chief of IAF, that is Indian Air Force. Commanding role in the war, Y.B. Chauhan. Who is this Y.B. Chauhan? Yashwantrao Chauhan. At that time, he was a defense minister of India. He has said that Air Marshal Arjan Singh is a jewel of a person. What do you mean by jewel of a person? He is such a person that he is very valuable. Like jewelry, it is very valuable. So he was a very valuable person for India, who is quite efficient and firm, unexcitable, but a very able leader. He was a very able leader. Okay. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close air support mission during the crucial Imphal campaign, and later assisted the advice of the Allied force of Yangon, that is formerly called as Rangoon. Now we are going to see in details about Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh. He was born on 15th of April 1919 at Lailpur, Faisalabad, that now lies in Pakistan. His education was from the school Montgomery, that also lies in Pakistan now, Sahiwal, that is the area which is there in Pakistan. Now, he was the person to fly the Westland Bapeti biplanes. What are these biplanes? Biplanes were the olden time, old model planes. Now his achievement was that in the 19th year, that was when he was in 19 years old, he was selected for umpire pilot training course. That was Royal Air Force with the British people from Cornwall in 1938. Now, on 15th of August 1947, flypast of the hundreds of AIF, that is when we got our freedom, it was celebrated, and at the Red Fort, fly past, that is 100 planes at one time took a flight, and that were all controlled and under the leadership of Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh. It was his great achievement. After independence, he was posted in Ambala at the rank of Group Captain. In 1949, he was promoted to the rank of Air Commander. He had longest period of service from 1949 to 1952, then further from 1957 till 1961, and towards the end of 1962 war, he was appointed as a Deputy Chief of Air Staff. He became Vice Chief of Air Staff in the year 1963. On the 1st of August 1964, he took control of the Indian Air Force as a Air Marshal. He had quite a lot of experience flying the old engines as well as the new engines. Now 60 different types of engines, not only from the pre-World War Second era, that means those engines which were of olden models or of olden times were also drawn by him, that were the biplanes, till the Gnats and the Vampires. These were the very new and efficient kind of aeroplanes which were also well known by him in driving. Okay. In 1965 Indo-Pak War, Air Marshal Arjan Singh fought with the courage, determination and professional skills. His determination brought India with valors of victory. He was awarded Padma Bhushan for his great contribution for the country. He was Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 till December 1990. In January 2002, government conferred on him, honored him the rank of Marshal, that was the 5-star rank officer with the Indian Air Force. Alhamdulillah, we have completed the main points here. Explanation part, you need to read the lesson twice and then understand each step of it. At the side of the lesson there are meanings, and then complete the vocabulary which is given on the next page or the solution to the exercise. Jazakallah.